Hey guys, I'm Ben, and welcome back to your latest episode of Java game development tutorial. And today we're going to be doing about jumping, which I forgot to do last time. So, anyway, let's just make a boolean up here to check whether they're going to be jumping or not. So public boolean jumping. So it's equal to false because at the start they're not going to be jumping. And let's add a key code down here. So if a dot get key code dot equals key event dot vk underscore space, then jumping is going to be true. Now what we also want to do is to make it so we can define how long they're going to be jumping for. So let's make a public float jumping time, and let's make this like 200, which is sort of a normal speed. And what we do is we make a new thread, and we dot start. Now inside this new thread we do new. This is going to class is going to be called that it's going to be in. So we're just going to call it thread, like that. So let's make a class at the bottom. If you can make a class inside a class, so you can make classception. Yeah. So you do public class thread, then we called it, and it implements runnable. And let's add public void run there. So basically what it's doing is going to set jumping equal to true, and it's going to go into this new thread, which is going to wait a few seconds and then turn off jumping basically. So we're going to make a try catch. Wait a second. Alright, so catch exception E, and just don't handle it. So anyway, then we're going to want to do thread dot sleep for this dot, what's it called? What's it called? What did I call it? I called it jumping time. There we go. So we're going to sleep for jumping time. Oh, I made it a float, didn't I? Long. I don't know whether you can hear that. My mum was shouting at the TV. I have no idea whether you could hear that or not. So anyway, it's going to do that. And then what we want it to do is actually, we're going to set falling equal to false, because it's going to think we're falling and it's going to just not move. Or what do we call it? We called it, oh wait, no, that won't. We do it up here, don't we? So if and we're not jumping, so like that. We also want to make if we're jumping, then character dot y minus minus. So that's cool. What I normally do in these exception things is I do e dot print stack trace. I then do new thread this dot start, so it just waits like 200 milliseconds, and then just system dot exit 0. That's how I do that, and that is it, I think. So I've just changed the color of these boxes a little bit because they didn't stand against the background. Oh, also I moved where you define the background, you define it here at the top. So we can move that and move him, and then if we jump, oh, I forgot to, so we do that and then we do jumping is equal to false. So you jump, there we go. We can jump and then move forward and die. So thanks for watching this tutorial. If you've got any problems, just send me a private message, and that will be cool. Any other tutorials you want for anything, just let me know. I'll see you next time.